The database that I'll be using is the BioOne Complete database, and this is because it has any and all information you might need to know about biology or any of its aspects. And since I am using the topic of the theory of evolution, I figured it would be very helpful. Now, to access this, you can go to the ESU library homepage and click on the databases section. And then once you scroll down here to the B's, it'll be the fourth link. And it brings you automatically to the advanced search. But if you just want to do a quick basic search, you can click right up here and type in anything. So giraffe will do. Then you can just enter, and it will bring up anything that has to do with the term giraffe, and it's just a very basic search. So to go to the help section, you can just click right here under my account, and that'll be found on any of the different pages of the website. And once you click that, you're on the help homepage, and as it says right here, you can just use these links off to the left for any of the help that you might need. So let's say you wanted to have help going to the advanced search, and it will show you what all of these fields mean under the search criteria, how you can refine it, how you can use the Boolean operators which do work on this database, and how you can use full text. And a good example of that is up here under these phrases. So if you just type in a long phrase and you don't put quotations around it, it'll find articles that contain both words apart or together. And then if you do put the quotations around it, it's a lot more accurate to what you're finding. So it'll find articles in which the two words appear as a phrase, which is very helpful. Now, to get back to the advanced search, you can just click right here underneath the quick search option, and then you're brought to the advanced search homepage. Now, there is not a thesaurus on this database, unfortunately. However, with all of the other options with this, you could probably just pull up a different thesaurus if you wanted to use that. Now, for example, if we do, my topic is the theory of evolution, so let's do the phrase evolution or natural selection as I've done here. And you can refine it to certain different sources that you would like. And a perk of this database is that all of the sources that it pulls from are all peer-reviewed, so you don't have to worry about anything being less credible, which is very helpful with this website if you're using it for a research paper. So let's say that we want to have it pull from the American biology teacher, from evolution, which is down here, and then let's just have one more, human biology. And then it will pull only from those three sources that we have highlighted. And then you can also pull from specific dates that you want so that it's not too irrelevant or too old. And it'll go anywhere from 1938 to the present, but let's have it be a little more accurate than that. Let's have it be from 2000 to the year 2018. And then once you're done filling all of this out, you can just hit submit, and it will pull up every source that it can find under all of these peer-reviewed articles. And as you can see, it will do any link that has evolution or natural selection or both of them. And here's an example of just natural selection. And something that's very helpful is that this does automatically give you a citation for it on each of these, which is very helpful, so you don't have to go and fill one out yourself. And you can find, if you just wanted the abstract and references, you can just click right there. It will give you the full text, which is everything except for the abstract and references. Or you can do the PDF, which is what I generally try to do, which is very helpful because it will give you both the abstract and the references, just so you can make sure you have all of the information you need. And something that's very interesting with this website is that you can translate it into a bunch of different languages. And this uses Google Translate, as you can see. So if you just click right there, if Google Translate has a language, then you can translate it into that. So for example, if you wanted to translate it into Spanish, now the entire website is in Spanish. Or if you wanted to translate it into Ukrainian, now it's all in Ukrainian, and I don't know how to read that, so we'll just go back to English. And this is a very, very helpful database if you are using anything for the biological sciences, or if you have a research paper in one of these classes. You always know that the sources will be reliable and credible. And yeah, anything that you might possibly need to know about biology you can find on this database.